Good morning, my YouTube family. How are you all? Well, I am doing fine. Today is been raining since night, so it's a quite lazy day. I woke up and I don't feel like making any proper breakfast. So in the fridge I had bread. So I thought of making bread and egg sandwich. So this bread I bought from supermarket the other day. So this is a multi-grain bread without any maida, with all other millets bread. So this is quite healthy. So if I choose bread, I choose multi-grain bread. So with little bit of butter, I just fried the little bit of the bread, just little bit roasted, and then now here I broke a egg, and now I'm going to add salt, pepper, and then I'm going to beat the egg nicely. And in the pan I'm going to put little bit of butter, and I'm going to fry the egg. So I'm going to fry the egg in butter because I like my sandwich egg to be a little bit buttery tasty. So the butter got melted. Now I am going to pour the egg. So friend, this is very simple. Everybody must be knowing it. But then I thought of making this video, so to show that how today morning, when in a lazy day I do make my breakfast. So the egg omelette is almost done. So now I slice here one tomato and one onion. So it's a very basic simple sandwich. Everybody must be knowing it, and that's what we do when we don't have time. So I do make this breakfast for my son, for my husband. Also I put him in the tiffin box. So especially when I don't have time or I am lazy. So basically today actually I am very lazy because of the rainy day. So I am going to make this sandwich. So see here friend, I am going to put little bit of sauce. This sauce I made the other day, the homemade tomato ketchup, tomato sauce. So this is very nice and healthy without any preservative. Please go in my channel, the link is there, you can check the tomato ketchup recipe. So after I spread the ketchup, I put the onion and tomato slice, and then here I am going to put one cheese. So this is the cheese cube, you get it in the supermarket. So now again I am going to put it in the pan and fry it for some time, just again for 2 minutes. You already the breads are little roasted, you may not, but then this will make it more crispy. I like my sandwich sometime crispy, so I am going to fry it for another 2 minutes. So friends, see here the sandwich is already ready, and now I am going to make another sandwich for my son. That's for with peanut butter. So again here I put two bread and just little bit roasted with little bit of butter. So he likes peanut butter a lot, my son. So I'm going to make this sandwich for him with peanut butter. So friends, peanut butter also I made it at home. So this peanut butter is very healthy and yummy, I made, and the link is there in my channel. The recipe is there, please go ahead and check. It's very simple. You can make the peanut butter and you can use all around the year, and it doesn't go bad. So children just loves it. You can use it on your smoothie, you can use it on bread toast. It's super yummy and super tasty. So friends, see, I am spreading the peanut butter on the bread toast. So it's very tasty. So friends, see, there is nothing more, but then everybody must be knowing it, but still I thought of making this video. Please go ahead and check the peanut butter and the tomato ketchup recipe. So here it is ready, the peanut butter, simple peanut butter sandwich. Now I am going to make for me some chamomile tea or some herbal tea. So this is a very flavorful, very nice tea, friends. One of my friend gifted me and is bought from Europe. So it's very nice and very flavorful. So I'm going to just boil some water and then just simmer it. You need not boil this tea, otherwise most of the flavor gets killed. So you just boil the water, and then you put the little bit of tea leaves and you cover it by switching off the gas, and then slowly you simmer it for 2 minutes, then the tea will be ready. So friends, see, two is after 2 minutes my tea is also ready. So I am now going to strain it. So this tea is very very nice. I just love it, and I do not add some honey or any sugar or any jaggery. If you wish, you can use little bit of sugar or little bit of lemon, whatever you wish. So I'm not going to add any lemon honey or anything. So my breakfast is ready, friends. See here. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.